Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're highlighting the Ambience Studio app within the 3D demonstrator role, focusing on enhancing your 3D environment with a realistic sun and sky ambience. Let's dive into setting up and customizing these elements. First, access the Ambience Studio. In the action bar, select Ambience Studio and click Switch between Generic and Sun and Sky Ambience to transform your environment. Next, the Sun and Sky Properties window will appear on the right. Here you can fine-tune various controls to give your scene a natural look. To simulate different times of the year, adjust the date by clicking the calendar icon. Set the desired month, day, and year. Then, modify the time of day by changing the hour, minutes, and seconds. Now let's set up the time zone. For example, select Istanbul from the list. As you can see, the sun and sky adjust accordingly to reflect the geographical location. Adjusting these settings lets you craft the perfect sun and sky ambience for your project. From sunny days to overcast skies, you have full control.